that, feeling tired all the time, stressed out, and just not yourself. You're not alone, and it's time for a change. But don't worry, you don't need a complete life overhaul to feel better. It's all about the small, simple habits you build every day. Think about starting your morning with a big glass of water instead of scrolling on your phone. Or maybe taking just 5 minutes to stretch your body when you feel stiff. These tiny adjustments can make a huge difference in your energy and mood. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Let's start this journey to a healthier, happier you, one small step at a time. What's one tiny change you can make today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple wellness tips. See you in the next video.